All right, guys. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I figured I would show you guys a quick Walmart grocery pickup that I just went and picked up this morning. And my game plan is to, at some point today, film a clean and organize with me of my refrigerator. I'll just take you guys over really quick so you can see what it looks like inside. Yeah, it's literally like packed to the max with stuff. And like I said, I just went to the grocery store to pick up an order. And at this point, I don't really have anywhere to put it. But my plan is to do that today. Clean and organize, take you guys with me on that. I will flip you around and show you my grocery pickup order today from Walmart. It was $160 for this stuff. And I've said this in my previous videos. We don't eat super healthy. I mean, we just eat what I buy, what I know my kids will eat, and that they're not going to waste. And this also includes some household stuff too. So not a lot of it is groceries. I have meats and stuff here already. And I have my meal plan up tonight. We're doing tacos. So this is just kind of like some random stuff that we were out of that I just needed to grab. And then some household stuff. So I will flip you guys around and let you see my groceries. All right, we'll start over here on this side. I needed some Clorox wand refills. We use that to clean the toilets, obviously. I love those. Freezer bags I was out of. Trash bags I'm running out of, so we grabbed those. We like these because they grip the can. Every other ones that I've used. Glad does too. They're very well too. They grip the can so they don't fall into the trash can. But these are like a good deal. I think there's 120 of them in there, I want to say. I think it's 120. It's like 14 bucks. So I grabbed those from Walmart. Jergens lotion. My fiance Tim uses this. He was out of aftershave, so we got that. He's running out of Listerine, so I grabbed a bottle of that. He needed baby powder, and I didn't realize that when I ordered this, it was so tiny. But we literally only use it for like putting on our shoes and stuff like that, just to kind of like alleviate odor, especially with our kids running around and getting sweaty and stuff. 2-pack of Right Guard deodorant, the gel. I did grab 2. I've been like doing my own nails at home, which I super love, saves me a ton of money. So I wanted to try these new ones. I've never seen them. They might not even be new. I've just never heard of them. This, it's Olive and Jewels or something. But I wanted to try those, and that color is really cute. It's like a really springy color. Love it. And then the acrylic, sorry, the box is ripped. But the acrylic ones, they stay on for a while, and I love the Kiss brand. So, and then I saw this lipstick, and I wanted to try it. It's super pretty. It's Revlon, and it's called Silver City Pink. So I'm excited to try that. So I did get that too. And then I got some paper plates because we use these and run out of them so fast. So I got the 200 count. Hopefully this will last us a little bit longer. I got these 2 pizza Lunchables for my kiddos and these 2 turkey ones. My 2-year-old eats these. My 13 and 10-year-old like these ones. I really hate buying Lunchables, but again, I buy when I know that my kids are going to eat and it's not going to be wasted. So I'm willing to put it out as long as they're eating it. Again, these frozen meals, my 10-year-old and my 2-year-old love these, and he's very picky. And at this point, whatever he eats, I give him. So I did get a bag of the organic green beans. I got the frozen burgers. These frozen burgers from Walmart are our favorite. We get them almost every time. I love them. Just throw them in a pan and they cook within like 10 minutes. They're not like gritty. There's no like fatty pieces in it. I do get the 85-15 and they are just super quick to either throw in the grill or in a pan just for a quick dinner. I got the Boathouse Mocha Cappuccino. I pour that in my iced coffee with my creamer every morning. I got the Yo Crunch M&M yogurts. One of my kids likes strawberry. The other one likes the vanilla. So I got one of each. I got a loaf of bread, hamburger buns for the burgers, obviously. I got these dairy-free smoothies. Okay, hold on one second. My 2-year-old eats these because he's not supposed to have anything with like milk in it. He has a milk allergy. He also drinks almond milk. So we've gotten him these, and they've been doing fine since he can't have yogurt. Not sure if I showed you, but I got 18-count eggs, a 2-pound thing of strawberries. We were out of Worcestershire sauce, so I grabbed that today. This is for my 10-year-old. She drinks lactose-free milk. I did get 2 of those. The other one's already out in the garage fridge. I decided to try this salted caramel syrup to add to my iced coffee so I can stop buying the creamer and just kind of like mix it in and see how it tastes. So I'm kind of anxious to see how that's going to turn out. I got 2 jugs of water because we have well water here, so we don't drink our water or like use it for like coffee or anything like that. We put this in our ice maker, in my Keurig. So we try to stock up on these as much as we can because we don't drink the water here, so we use this for numerous things. I did pick up this box of Paw Patrol gummies. Paw Patrol is my son's favorite. And then the last thing that I got is this box of deluxe mac and cheese. My 13-year-old eats these pretty regularly, and especially more now that she's home being homeschooled again. So again, that's my grocery haul for today. Nothing major. This is, like I said, we don't eat healthy. I just buy the things that I know that my kids will eat and not waste. And normally don't have household stuff in there, but again, this was $160 for all of this, and we are a family of 5. I have my meals planned out already. Tonight we're having tacos. But all right, I'm gonna get started on getting my refrigerator organized and cleaned out so I can put these groceries in there. Out of the door, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on the inside before I start cleaning it. It's a weird thing. I don't like that. So gross. It needs to be cleaned out. It's definitely not pretty. Yeah. So that's where all the condiments go. So now that I have that out, I'm going to scrub the inside of those out and then put the condiments back in there. And then I'll take everything out of this part and put it on the counter and then scrub that and put it all back together. Okay, so I'm just going to grab some Thieves spray and a paper towel and spray the inside of these out and wipe down the door and the shelving and then put all that stuff back in and start emptying out the inside of the refrigerator. What it looks like now that it's all been wiped down and cleaned out, and then I'm going to put all the condiments back in the door. while I'm emptying out the fridge, I'm just going to go through and check the dates on some things and throw them away. And please tell me I'm not the only one who this happens to, where things get shoved to the back of the refrigerator and you forget that they're there and you don't realize it. And then when it's time to get them out, they're out of date. So I'm just going to get rid of all the things that are out of date, things that have been left over in the fridge. And then I'm going to finish emptying all of this stuff out and start getting it cleaned up.
Picture a youngin' that used to live for the summer, skip meals to go run amongst all his peers. Now fast forward up a few years, that giddy little kitty growed up and all of a sudden had to pay bills. My current dichotomy grown from pure curiosity. Guess I didn't know that part of the deal, or know how quick it get real. Feeling so fleeting, me and myself need a meeting to make it clearer. Conversate with the mirror, watch your language when talking to me. I'm the one that's with you. Speak some life in the self, you should opt in the optimism. When options turn into prisons, getting offered the slimmest pickings. Remember this place we in is a thief of joy, it'll steal. But no matter how much it take, I got more to give. I know that this world is all I'm giving, and all of these thrills don't count for living. A little more will is all it takes, so I persevere, I'm not afraid. And right when it's falling off, not all is lost, it's giving me chills. I got a feeling, I gotta see stars and cars I'm whipping, cause none of my dreams involve a ceiling. I seen a child raise a village, and he didn't come from no privilege that made me conquer some limits. I've arisen from prisons, head on collision with visions I had back then, it was written. I've been walking in purpose, I've been coaching myself on life, telling me that it's worth it. It's some things I'm still gonna.
Okay, I got everything taken out, so I'm gonna show you the inside of this. And I need to pull the drawers out and like get in the bottom, and you'll see what I'm talking about when I turn it around. Insides of the drawer, like ew. Yeah, and down there I need to pull the drawers out. So I'm gonna do that, get that all wiped out.
Improving the timing is perfect, still paranoid that I make it lose. Like some toxic been lurking, anticipating my every move. On the back of my shirt is a target made to play me a fool. I won't fall to the serpent. Swear to God I've been working like a doctor and surgeon, trying to piece together the pieces and heal up what hurted. My vice suffice till it don't, it shows. My passion might lead me out to a life is an open door. Sometimes it just takes.
Okay, so now that I got all the drawers pulled out, I'm just gonna spray the inside of the refrigerator out with some Dawn Power Wash and take a paper towel to wipe the bottom out where all like the big pieces of stuff are. I was going to use paper towels to clean the inside of the refrigerator with, but I figured if I did that, I would use an entire roll trying to get it clean. So this will be one of the very few times that you see me actually use a cleaning rag, because it will be easier to just rinse in the sink and then wipe the inside of the refrigerator out with.
I gotta see stars and cars I'm whipping, cause none of my dreams involve a ceiling.
So I'm just taking out all the glass on the bottom and wiping it off with the Dawn Power Wash and the washcloth. And I'm going to wipe it down with a paper towel to dry it and then put the glass back in. Okay, here is the inside of it all scrubbed out. I just need to scrub the drawers out. They're sitting right here in the sink, so I'm gonna get those scrubbed out. And then I will put everything back into the refrigerator.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind. From Leapers Ford to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City or Memphis bound. No matter where I go, no matter what I see, I still hear the calling of Tennessee. And who we to know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, and I've still got Tennessee on my mind. I miss the smoke on the Cumberland and the fireflies at midnight, and the color of the leaves in the fall. But who are we to know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow? The sun is gonna rise each and every time, and I've still got Tennessee on. Yeah, I've still got Tennessee on my mind. Yeah.
We stretch time, we stretch life, we stretch time, we stretch life.
Okay, so I finally got the fridge done. Give you guys like a little glimpse of what it looks like on the inside. It's definitely a lot more organized than it was, and we can actually see where things are now. So, all right, I got that done. That is probably going to end this video for today. I appreciate you guys tagging along. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like these kinds of videos, and I hope to see you guys in my next one soon. Bye.